Welcome to the J.K. Michaels Knowledge Series. Today's topic is Introduction to Lean Process Improvement. In this tutorial, we'll embark on a journey to discover the foundations of Lean, its origins, and its vital role in modern businesses. We'll also provide practical examples and demonstrations to help you grasp these concepts effectively. Origins of Lean. The origins of Lean can be traced back to the post-World War II era in Japan, when Toyota revolutionized manufacturing processes. One of the foundational concepts of Lean is the elimination of waste, which encompasses various forms like overproduction, defects, excess inventory, unnecessary motion, and more. For example, Toyota implemented a just-in-time JIT production system, which ensured that parts were delivered to the assembly line precisely when needed, reducing excess inventory and associated costs. Another key principle is continuous improvement or Kaizen, wherein employees at all levels actively contribute to enhancing processes and identifying areas for optimization. For instance, Toyota encouraged its workers to suggest improvements, resulting in small but cumulative efficiency gains. In summary, Lean's origins in Japan, exemplified by Toyota, laid the groundwork for a globally adopted approach to process improvement and efficiency across various industries. Lean principles. At the core of Lean are several key principles. Let's delve into them. 1. Value. Lean starts by identifying what customers truly value. This is often referred to as the voice of the customer. It's crucial to understand what customers are willing to pay for and what they consider waste. For example, consider a smartphone. Some customers might value a sleek design and a long-lasting battery, while others prioritize a high-quality camera. By understanding these preferences, companies can tailor their offerings to meet specific customer needs. 2. Value stream mapping. Lean involves mapping out the entire process, from start to finish, to identify areas where value is added and where waste occurs. For example, let's say we're manufacturing a bicycle. Value stream mapping helps us visualize every step in the process, from raw materials to the finished product. This map reveals inefficiencies and waste, such as excess inventory or redundant steps. 3. Flow. Lean promotes a continuous flow of work, reducing bottlenecks and delays.